In this video, I am going to show you how to send email using PHPMailer. Let's get started. For this, you need to download this folder which I'll be linking in the description. Then we will create a new file called email.php. Now the first thing we will do in this file is to require our PHPMailer autoload file. Next, we will initiate a new object of the PHPMailer class. The next thing we will specify is the host of our email provider. In my case, it is smtp.ionos.com, and for Gmail accounts it will be smtp.gmail.com. The next thing is the encryption method and their ports. The port I will be using is 587, and that is for TLS encryption, or you can use port 457 for the SSL encryption. You can easily find these codes by googling them. The next few parameters are the SMTP auth option, which is always set to true. Next two properties we are going to mention are the username and the password. The next property is the set from address. Suppose you want to send the email from an address which is mentioned as test@project.com and not with your original email address, and here you can specify that email as an alias. And the next property is the add address property, in which you will specify on which email address you want to send the email. The next property is HTML, which will decide our content is HTML based or not. And the next property is the subject, which is going to be the title or headline of our email. After email, the next property to set is the main content of the email, which I am going to be setting just an H1 of hello world. Next, we are going to set up a bunch of options, and lastly we are going to check for the mail.send method. If the send method has been worked, then we will print out mail send message to the user, and otherwise we will be sending mail send failed message to the user. Now if we have done everything correctly, then when we go to the postman and hit that particular URL, and you can see that the thanks message and with the body of hello world mail has been delivered to us. Now there are an additional features to this. If you want me to cover those features, then let me know in the comments below, and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more videos.